morning! Yes, good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. This is your mom Sheila Concherong Sadie Akishi itang Thailand. And today, it's just saktong 2 o'clock. And medyo malaking eyebags natin ngayon kasi puyat. I should be at the airport ng at least 3 or 4 a.m. because I have flight ng 6 a.m. Hopefully, maging okay ang travel na to. And today is the official Bali trip. First 2 days, medyo ano lang ako doon, relax. So, walang itinerary for today and until tomorrow. But on Wednesday, dadating si Nels Fuentes, saka yung iba naming kasama. So, 4 sila. And then, we'll have a joint tour ng Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday and Thursday. And then, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, wala akong ganap. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Grabe. So, pa-check out na ako and mag-grab na ako papuntang airport kasi walang public transportation ngayon. Ako naman is walang train. So, kailangan maaga. Tingnan natin. Update ko kayo later, guys. Bye! Alright, so nandito ako sa mga check-in counter and antay na lang ako ng boarding passport kasi okay pa naman. It's just past half 3 and I think 5 pa naman yung boarding time. And I have like 3 hours layover sa Malaysia and I have my flight to Bali. I don't know, parang may problema yata kasi matatagal sa pag-check-in sa akin. Okay, so kapapasok ko na sa immigration and I'm heading to my gate now, but I'm starving. So, maghanap muna ako ng Malalapanga. And ang boarding time pa naman ay 5. So, I still have an hour to kill dito. Alright, so we're boarding. May 3 hours na layover ako dito for catching flight going to Bali. And 3 hours na naman. Good luck. This guy, and we're disembarking now. It's a baby boy. Thank you. Bye. Okay. So here. And I need to find my gate for next flight. So, waiting game. And the next flight. And hopefully walang delay. I need to go to transfer desk. So, yung migraine. I forgot my medicine. Alright, so ang sakit ng ulo ko, like seriously. Ayan, so coffee muna ako. And this is my view. Love it. Yay, finally we're boarding and antok na ako. Nakatulog ako sa may boarding gate. And this is it. So this is another 3 hours flight. From Kuala Lumpur to Muraray, so then Pasar, and then I'm very excited. We're about to board the plane. Hello guys! So I just landed here sa Bali and grabe ang init. Nakakaloka, grabe yung powers. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi nagpapalit ako and sa may labas ng airport papuntang parking yung may magandang rate. Yung $100 equivalent niya ay 1.360. So, 1,360,000. And then, doon ako nagpapalit. Ngayon, I'm just waiting for my driver kasi nag-book ako through Klook.com or Klook na app. Ayan. So, kinuha niya lang yung car and then, alis na kami.